Hi, in this video I'll be giving demo on CareBytes application which we built as part of IBM Call for Code initiative. CareBytes is an IBM Watson powered health assistant which is basically designed to provide a comprehensive end-to-end telemedicine solution. Due to ongoing pandemic situation, it is becoming difficult for a non-COVID patient to get health assistance on time. So this particular application is designed to address such patients by gathering their health information, diagnosing and treating them remotely. Additionally, CareBytes also has a feature where it gathers the quarantine patient's health information on a daily basis and analyzes the user information to identify the probable risk factor and alert the authorities on time. So in this UI, we have brought all different entities which are involved in this process. So I'll be now showing you the different entities' role and its experience. Let me start with the user experience. From a user experience perspective, it will be Watson Assistant chatbot. The chatbot is used to gather the user health information. So once the user starts the conversation, he will be asked to select the modes. Health checkup mode, where he can submit and review his current health condition. Quarantine mode is specific to the quarantine patients, and he can also track the status of his request. So I'm now selecting the health checkup mode. So in this mode, the user will be asked few basic health symptoms. So based on his health condition, he has to select appropriate options. Additionally, user can also provide extra health information which are not part of the above options. And then he'll be asked the basic contact information, including email, phone number, address, details. Once the user submits his health information, a unique patient ID will be generated, and all his health information will be processed in Knowledge Studio against a trained model to identify his probable nature of illness. And based on his zip code, the nearest doctor information will also be provided to him for the emergency assistance. So let us take the patient ID and then try to see how the health admin experience would look like. Health admin experience necessarily means the teledoctor or health representative who will have a provision to view the user health information. So let me search with the patient ID which we generated earlier. So as you can see, the health information submitted by the user in the chat conversation can be seen here. So all this user health information are processed against a trained model in Watson Knowledge Studio to identify the probable nature of illness. In this case, it was probably because of dengue or cold. And the patient comment is processed in order to identify the emotional quotient, and which will be used for the diagnosis. And we can also see the provider to whom it is this particular patient has been assigned to. So based on all this information, the teledoctor will now have below options to perform. So he can contact the patient to get more details, or he can set up an appointment. He can give a feedback and give a prescription too. So let's set up an appointment for tomorrow, and I'm giving a feedback and giving prescription. So once submitted, this information will be notified to the patient. So let's get back to the user experience and see the track status feature of CareBytes. So using the track status feature, the patient can get the latest information about his health record. So he'll be asked to give the patient ID, and upon giving the patient ID, user will get the details of the latest update of his health transaction. So as you can see here, doctor comments prescription and the appointment details can be seen what we updated in the previous steps. I would like to show one more feature of So we have an option here to view the historical patient record, which will be assisting the teledoctor in diagnosis. So for example, the patient has been transferred to a secondary doctor for the further analysis. The secondary doctor can go ahead and click on this link to view his history of the transactions. So all the transactions which are made through the CareBytes application can be viewed here. Additionally, the doctor will also have an option to view the PHR details of his previous health conditions, which is shown here for the demo purpose. Now let's get back to the user experience and see the quarantine mode feature of CareBytes. So quarantine mode feature of CareBytes is specifically for those patients who are under quarantine and observation. So under this mode, the patient will be asked few set of questions to understand his health condition. So if a patient is appearing for the first time, he will be asked to give the mobile number. So upon giving the contact number, the user will be asked certain questions which are related to COVID-19, just to understand his current health condition. He can give any additional health condition. Upon submitting, a unique patient ID will be generated for the user, and all this information will be later passed on to the authorities for their tracking and analysis. Now let's get back to the authority admin experience. So authority admin experience is specifically those government agencies and medical department authorities who are tracking these quarantine patients. By searching their patient ID, the government agencies or the medical authorities can view the details about patient's current health condition, and they can also see the risk factor and the probable chance of him getting infected. So coming back to the quarantine mode again, say now the user takes the survey for the second day. So now, since he have the patient ID generated, he would have to give the patient ID, but he has to undergo the same set of survey or the questions where he has to give his health condition. Once the details are submitted, all these details will be later again passed on to the authority admins for their review and analysis. Now, and if we come back and see the updated status of the patient, we can now see the health status being updated to yellow, and the risk percentage has now increased to 50%, and he has some COVID symptoms, the major symptoms, the early major symptoms. So in this way, the authority admins will have a track on the health condition of a quarantine patient and can identify of him probably getting infected and treat him in a better way. In this way, CareBytes can be efficiently used to tackle the ongoing pandemic and offer a better healthcare capability for the users. Thanks for watching.